How to request a Dave advance on Dave app. In order to request a Dave extra cash advance, you want to download the Dave app, sign up for 1 month membership, link a qualifying bank account with at least 3 recurring deposit. So what you want to do is basically, if you've not installed Dave app, you want to head over to your respective app store, install Dave onto your device, and once you're done installing the Dave app, click on the open button and select join Dave. Once you select the join Dave button, it's going to ask you to create a sign-in ID. Once you're done creating your account, you then need to link your bank and open an ExtraCash account as well. Your available amount, which can be up to $500, is displayed in the ExtraCash and update daily based on income and spending habit as well. Then you want to select the amount you want to advance. For instant access, you want to transfer funds to your Dave checking account. Alternatively, you can transfer to an external debit card within an hour for free as well. The advance is prepaid automatically on your next day or on your next payday as well. And that's how you'll be able to use the Dave advance. And with that, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.